I must say, luckily for us or people like myself, there are quite a number of individuals that had a lot of failed stories to which we can learn from and skip the failure phases and go directly to success. So one thing I've learned I'm gonna share with you all is how to apply these 5 criterions to measure an opportunity. Opportunities are all around us, but how do you know how to get yourself involved in these opportunities? Right? So the first of the 5 is the product. What is the business offering? I asked 2 questions. So, I guess we're rocking and rolling, right? The third criterion is how do you earn money? Because if you look at this from a business perspective, is it worth your time? Can you make money? And that's the key thing for people to know. Can you make quick, part-time, or full-time money? And the answer is yes. So you have a good product, you have a good company, you have a good compensation plan. What about the support tools and systems? What you have? So this CASHFX group have a ticketed support system that channels your direct needs and questions. You have the conversion pros partnering with the CASHFX group to advance your marketing and software skills. You have fast payments and layered security to keep your money safe and confidential. You have transparent reporting in your back office, giving you access to your trade results and easily check your CASHFX historical data. You also have live virtual events, giving company updates with plans for the future, compensation plan updates, etc. So the right support tools and systems, check out for sure. And the last thing, but not the least, is the right timing. We are in a pandemic, and the predefined methods of earning an income are quickly dwindling away. A lot of companies are working from home now, and we've seen the highest unemployment rates in the history of our time. Earning an income is at the top of everyone's minds right now. The CASHFX group has created a way to earn a living from the comfort of your home. We want everyone to look and feel their best with no financial worries. It's a brand new opportunity and so many people are excited about it. So if you're the kind of person that wants to earn a weekly recurring income, work from home, be healthier, more vibrant, then stay on this call as we go through in details how this business plan works. Or reach out to the person that shared this video with you and get back to them. I look forward to seeing each one of you on this exciting and rewarding journey. Take care.
All right, folks, good evening to you all. We are here again sharing with you this awesome opportunity Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. nightly. All right, so if you have someone that you want to jump on the call with, you can just share the link and we will be here Monday to Friday. All right, having said that, my name is Mark Daniels. and I'm going to be the one walking you through this presentation this evening. All right, so firstly, there are some things that I'd like you to remember as we go along. So firstly, there is absolutely no referrals needed in this company. What do I mean? This is not any bring one or bring two or bring three kind of thing. All right. You can be a part of this completely anonymous and no one knows that you're a part of it. All right. The next thing, there is no monthly subscription fee. A one-time payment, no hidden fees in this company as well. There's no mandatory meetings to attend. And the best of all, we allow the pros to trade for us Monday to Friday. We get paid in Bitcoin every single Saturday, like clockwork. So having said that, welcome to CASHFX Group. That is CFX for short, where success in the global Forex market is just a few mouse clicks away, all right? This awesome company took advantage of two major trending industries. The first of which is e-learning or education online. Now, you and I know that since the pandemic, we do every single thing online now. We school online, we work online, we have events online, we do everything online. So CASHFX saw that and they offer education about the Forex market on this platform as well. The next major trending industry, it is the global Forex market. Now, these stats would have been taken in 2019, but in 2022, an average of $6 trillion is being traded daily in the Forex market. The Forex market is the most largest liquid financial market in the world. It is proven to be recession-proof. All right. So as long countries continue to use their own currencies and continue to trade between countries, the Forex market will always be there. All right, so CASHFX, we pride ourselves in some core values. Now, we believe that these values, those are transparency, honesty, respect. We believe that these values will enable us to have a long-term and successful partnership with every single one of our members, all right? Our purpose is that everyone that joins this platform, they will experience financial success in the global Forex market, but that is, of course, minus the risk of trading Forex on your own. And we position ourselves very competitive to all other platforms, and you're more than welcome to check that out. All right, so CASHFX was put together by a team of professionals. Professionals would include experts in project management, network marketing, financial markets, and even the educational arena. Now, why is this significant? Why is this important? This is important because we are handling business here, and we want to have the confidence at all times that the best team is handling our business. All right. This awesome team was put together by our founders, Wasco Lopez and Edwin Abad. Wasco, our CEO, Edwin, he's the expert with trading and stuff like that. Now, these two men put together their own funds and they built this company so that everyone can experience success in the global Forex market. Our headquarters, it's in Panama City, Panama. It's a physical office, but let me just show you what that office looks like, all right? I'm going to share with you a short video. There you have it. There you have it. That's our physical office. It is open to the public now. So if you happen to be in Panama City, Panama, you can visit our head office there and see what they're all about up there. All right. So I know you've been seeing some exciting things. You've been hearing some information, but let's just get into the real, some real good stuff now. So how do you become a part of this amazing company? Now we have a series of 15 contracts ranging from 300 USD all the way to 100,000 USD. Now they're divided into 3 categories, and that is for the educational series that is offered. All right. So we have from 300 USD to 3,000 USD contract. Any one of these contracts, you will be exposed to the elemental plan of education. This is where you just learn the basic stuff, common terms that are used in the Forex and stuff like that. But then we have the advanced plan from 5,000 to 20,000. Here is where you get a little bit more, but then we have from 30,000 to 100,000, you'll be exposed to the supreme plan of education. Now, if you possess any one of these contracts, you have 100% access to the education. However, it is not mandatory, rather, that you go through the education. But at this point, if you would have been following the system, the educational modules, what you would find at this point, you would be able to go out into the Forex market and trade Forex on your own. You will understand because you would have been exposed to sufficient amount of education for you to do so. All right. Now that is completely optional. You don't have to do that. All right. So these are the different contracts ranging from 300 all the way up to 100,000 USD. All right. Now, how do you be a part of this and how do you earn in this platform? We earn in 2 different ways. All right. The first, it is bare capital. Now, bare capital means that you're participating in this company passively, where you put your money to work for you. All right. You put in your money to work for you. You don't have to do anything about this. And the amount you'll be able to earn, whatever contract you started on, you'll be able to double that, 2 times the value that you got started with. So you started with 1, guess what? You're going to end with 2. You start with 2, you're going to end with 4. So you continue doubling, and that is passively. Your money is going to go to trade for you Monday to Friday. You're going to earn every Saturday until you reaches 2 times the amount that you got started with. That's bare capital. But then we have bull capital, or the network marketing side of the company. Now, the bull capital is where you basically refer persons. So you invite persons to join the company. They join. You will be you'd qualify for the bull capital rewards, and those would include fast start bonuses, uni-level bonuses, matching matrix bonuses, and leadership rank bonuses. Now, on the same contract that you're earning passively, you'll be earning 2 times there. By activating this side of the business, you will also be able to earn an additional 2 times the same contract on what you got started with. We're going to explain where that goes, how that really works shortly. Now, as you continue to bring persons into this company, you will accumulate points. Now, as you get these points, you'll be able to achieve different ranks in the company. So the bigger your points, you achieve a higher rank and stuff like that. Now, for the sake of math, we're going to be using a $1,000 contract, and I'm going to show you how it really works. So someone gets started on a $1,000 contract. That contract is going to split into 2 parts, 70 and 30, 70%, 30%. 70% goes to your trading pool, goes to trade for you. Now this 70% that goes to trade for you, you will be earning on this weekly, all right, every single Saturday until that $1,000 reaches $2,000 over here. Now, when you get to $2,000, you have two options. The first one, you can withdraw your money and leave CASHFX, no love loss. However, there's a 20% withdrawal fee that you have to keep in mind. All right, so let's say you get to the $2,000, withdraw your money. $1,600 will be remaining after the 20% is deducted. Don't be alarmed. We're going to explain where that 20% goes shortly. All right. So when that is deducted, you have $1,600 remaining. You can take your money and leave. The next option is you can take your $600 profit, utilize the $1,000, repurchase the contract, and repeat the process all over again. There's a third and better option that I'm going to share with you shortly. All right. And then we have the bull capital. Now, by activating the bull capital side, you will be able to earn an additional $2,000 on the same $1,000 contract. Now, this 30% here goes to pay for the education that is offered, and it is also split up into fast start bonus and uni-level bonuses. All right, so let me just explain how that works. Let's just say you get started and you decide you want to bring in a friend. A friend get started. She came in with a $1,000 contract, but she's directly under you. What's going to happen? That person is going to earn, meaning you are going to earn $150 as a fast start bonus on a $1,000 contract sign up. All right, 150 US, that is. All right, you'll also be earning $15, which is 10% of that 150 as a uni-level bonus. And it works the same way with every single contract, from $300 all the way up to $100,000. It works the same way. So what we're saying, you start on a $1,000 contract, you'll be able to earn $4,000 minus the 20% withdrawal fee. That is just amazing. Now we speak about the third option. That is where you utilize the law of compounding. You compound your money to earn even more. So we have a $300 contract here. The next contract after that, it is $500. Now the difference between 3 and 5, it is 2. Excuse me. So you do not need $500 to purchase a $500 contract if you already have a $300 contract. All right. So what we're saying is that you just paid the difference. If you look in the third column, on the top, we have $250. Now the $50 is deducted as a 20% withdrawal fee, and the $200 goes to pay for the $500 contract. And you begin earning the $500 weekly return of about $17 per week. All right. Now it works the same way with every single contract, just you have enough, you upgrade. By doing that consistently every time you have enough, it's going to take you just about 5 to 7 years for you to get up to the $100,000 contract, and you'll be earning at a 5% weekly rate. That is $3,500 USD on a weekly basis. Of course, you would need to manage your stuff so that you can buy back your contract to continue earning. However, that 5 to 7 years, that does not apply to every single one. What do I mean? That is just for only those people who are participating passively in this company, meaning they're just purchasing the contract and they don't want to tell a soul. They're just earning the passive income every single week. That is why it's going to take you 5 to 7 years. But if you begin to bring in your friends, bring in your family, and you decide to build an organization, then you're going to get up to that $100,000 contract even faster. And what we're after, it is financial freedom. And what is financial freedom? When your passive income supersedes your monthly expenditure. And this is absolutely true. It works. It is working for over 300,000 people globally. All right. Now we speak about a 20% withdrawal fee. It goes into what we call a 3x10 force matrix. All right. A 3x10 force matrix. Now, how does that work? This is what you need to know. Every single person that comes into this company, they fall into this matrix by default. You have no control how or where you're going in the matrix. Just the available space that is available for you, that is where you're going. Now, you see the 1,000 contract up here. Let's just call that, let's just say that's me, all right? But you are on my level 1 and you have a $2,000 contract. Now, how this matrix works is that it is a 3 wide and 10 levels deep, hence 3x10. There is no time at any given time more than 3 persons can exist on your level 1. It cannot happen. It is designed that way. On your level 2, only 9 persons can exist on your level 2. On your level 3, only 27 persons can exist on your level 3. And it multiplies by 3 every level that you go down. So back to what we were saying, you are on my level 1, you with a $2,000 contract. You decide that you don't want to bring anyone else into this business, but guess what? I am going to be building from the top. But because only 3 persons can exist on my level 1, guess what's going to happen? After I fill out those 3 spaces, including you, they're going to have spillovers going down into level 2. So what's eventually going to happen when people build above you, even though you're not building, what's going to happen? People are going to be in your matrix that you don't know, you never met, but when they withdraw and that 20% is deducted, you get paid. It's an additional stream of passive income. This does not go back to the owners of the company, so to speak, but the members, every single member benefits from this matrix. It is designed for longevity and sustainability. For those persons who want to activate the bull capital side of the business, here is how it works. When you join CASHFX, you're recognized as an ace trader. Now, an ace trader could only earn uni-level bonuses up to 4 levels deep into the organization. What do I mean? Let's just say I bring in Ron. Ron is on my level 1, but Ron decides to bring in Jane. Jane is on my level 2. Jane decides she want to bring in Pam. Pam is on my level 3. But if Pam decides that she want to bring in someone else, let's just say she want to bring in her mom. What we're going to call her mom? Let's call her mom Sita. All right. But if her mom decides she wants to bring anyone else in, those persons going to fall on my level 5 and 6. And I cannot get those uni-level bonus unless I go up to the rank of executive. And what does that mean? That means me and my team has to generate 50,000 USD in business within a 30 days period. I'm going to achieve the rank of executive, unlocking level 5 and 6, accessing those uni-level bonuses. Manager unlock up to level 8, director unlock up to level 9, president, club ambassador, and global ambassador get uni-level bonus from every single person in the organization. And this is where the goal is: residual income. What does that mean? Residual income means you get a residue of work that you would have done in the past. So you work now, you get paid, yes, but later on you have residue of the work you did here. Residual income, and this is where it all happens. All right. Now, achieving those ranks, of course, it is a lot of work, and CASHFX recognize that and they reward you accordingly as well. So for the first rank of executive, you can take your iPad or 75% of its cash value. All right, so you can take your iPad or you can take your cash. However, to claim any one of these physical prizes rather, you would have to be at a physical event that the company is having. All right. Other than that, you can take your cash. Manager, you can take your Rolex watch or you can take your money. Director, you can go on your trip or you can take your money. And all of these money that we're talking about here, it's in US dollars. Every single thing, it's in US dollars, all right? But then we have the President Club. President Club, you can take your car, your Porsche, or you can take your $75,000. Ambassador, you can take your Ferrari, or you can take your cash. And the highest rank of all, Global Ambassador, you can take your Lambo, or you can take your cash. Now, I know that you've been seeing a lot of exciting things, and yes, all of these are awesome stuff, but let us look at some results, people. Let us look at some results, because I lie, people lie, everybody lie, but numbers do not lie. All right. So for the month of January, we would have received 15.88% return. Now, if you would have had a $300 contract, that would have been $33. On a $500 contract, that would have been $55. On a $100,000 contract, that would have been $11,114. And this is absolutely amazing. In February, on a $300 contract, you would have received $37. On 100,000, $12,481. This is amazing because there is no bank at this time. Yes, the same bank that you have your money in right now, that same bank, it is not giving you $37 on a $300 on your $300 in the bank. Guess what they're doing? Instead, a lot of bank fees you have to pay. You have to pay the people to keep your money in the bank. All right. So financial institutions, they're not doing this. Here is where you can get value for your money. Just last week, we will receive 4.45% return. And you can see it on a $300 contract, that's $9. It looks small, but as you continue to practice the law of compounding and compound your money, get up to those higher contracts, those are the results that you're going to be receiving as well. Same 4%, but on a larger contract. All right. Now in 2021, when the pandemic was, continuing to reap havoc throughout the world, CASHFX paid their members 254.74% return. Now that is absolutely amazing, because for 1 year, the bank is not giving anything more than 3%. And you're getting 254.74% return. You do the math. In 2020, when everyone said that the company is going to flop because of the pandemic, in 2020, people lost their jobs, businesses were being wiped out. CASHFX paid their members 329.54% returns. Now, I don't know about you, but that is absolutely amazing, and that makes me excited because no financial institution is doing that right now. But the billion-dollar question is, how do you get started? To get started, you need to acquire Bitcoin. Now, acquiring Bitcoin, it is a bit, if it happens to be a challenge to you, no problem, reach out to the leaders. We can purchase the Bitcoin and get you started immediately. All right. Now, some facts that you want to know about Bitcoin. Number one, it is mined by computers. But when we compare it with fiat currency, or the paper money, so to speak, those are issued by government. Bitcoin, there's a fixed amount. There's 21 million Bitcoin, meaning it is not affected by inflation. Fiat currency, there's unlimited printing of money. What does that mean? It means if you have $100,000 in the bank today, a year from now, it's not going to be worth the same thing because of unlimited printing of money. Your money is going to lose value. Bitcoin has a public database called blockchain. Transparency, it is key. Fiat currency, no transparency. Bitcoin, it is decentralized, meaning it is not owned by one person or entity. But if you own a fraction of a Bitcoin, that is yours. All right, you own that. That's a digital asset. Fiat currency, it is owned by the banks and governments. It is centralized. Bitcoin has a low international wiring fee. So you can send Bitcoin anywhere in the world and you just pay a couple dollars. But if you want to send some EC or some TT or whatever currency you're using to any other country, the transaction fees are crazy. Bitcoin gives you control of your funds at all times. The bank doesn't do that. If you move too much money around, they can freeze your account at any given time. All right. So in CASHFX, you do not need to refer anyone, but you absolutely need to be referred by someone. You cannot Google CASHFX and get started. If you do that, more than likely you're going to be led to a legitimate website and you're going to end up into some problems. All right, so next question is, how do I get back my money? Now you can get back your money in two ways. Now pay attention to this. In two ways you can get back your money. Number one, you can reach out to the leaders. We can purchase the Bitcoin from you, convert it into whatever currency you're using, and you can have your money. Number two, we can put you onto some global exchange MasterCard that will allow you to convert your Bitcoin to whatever currency you're using on your own, and anywhere that is accepting Visa, MasterCard, you can conduct your daily business as per normal. All right, folks, so I've been through this presentation so that you can do what matters. And what matters is earning an extra stream of income, whether it be passively or even residually. This company provides an avenue for you to do that for as low as $300 US. All right, folks, so you got value from what you heard. You can reach out to me or reach out to the person that invited you to this call, and they're going to walk you through the necessary steps to get started. I'm definitely going to be looking forward to see you on this exciting and no doubt rewarding journey. Have a wonderful evening and peace out.